Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to have a look at the first of 5 coins that are being released in 2018 to celebrate 100 years of the RAF, which is the Royal Air Force. Like I said, this is the first one. There are 4 more coming throughout the year. I'll also be buying those and making videos on those as soon as I've actually got them in my hands. Now, this design here was actually announced back in January when the annual sets got announced and released. 4 more got announced later. If you want to see the designs before I actually show the bunk versions off, then go and check out one of my previous videos that I made on these 5 coins. But today we're going to have a look at this version. So if you purchase this from the Royal Mint website or this version from the Westminster Collection website, this is how it will arrive in the Royal Mint hang bag. And this is the RAF Centenary Badge 2018 UK £2 brilliant uncirculated coin. That's the front of the packaging. And that's the back, which we'll get into later on. But for now, I'm going to open my packaging up so that you never have to open yours, but you can see exactly everything that you get inside. So with the packaging removed, you can now see what that looks like in finer detail. Coin sat there beautifully. And the back here. As you'll notice here that the Royal Air Force is a trademark, but they have licensed this product in conjunction with the Royal Mint. So that's quite a cool little hologram there. Now we're going to get into the packaging. And I'm going to do the usual thing here of just pausing it long enough so that you can pause it and have a read of this at your own pace. But I'm a big fan of all 5 designs. I think at the moment my favourite design of the 5 is the Spitfire coin. I think it's stunning, and once I've got it in hand, I'll make a video on it. A little bit there about the designer of the coin. And a little bit more information there. And then we get back onto the back and onto the front. So before we have a look at the coin itself, let's have a look at the coin specifications. So the denomination is £2. The inner alloy is copper nickel. The outer alloy is nickel brass. The weight is 12.00 grams. Diameter is 28.40 millimeter. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. The obverse designer is Jody Clark. And the reverse designer is Rhys Morgan. A little bit more information there if you want to have a pause and read of that. So we'll start off now with the obverse of the coin, just to have a look here at the design. So you can see how brilliant the finish is there on that coin. It looks stunning. And now let's have a look at the reverse, which is the most important part. So as you can see here, there is the RAF badge and the 100th anniversary of the Royal Air Force on the outside, 1918 to 2018. But like I said, I'm a big fan of all of these upcoming coins. Definitely going to be buying them all. Don't think I'm going to be getting any of them in silver proof. None of them have captured my imagination that much that I want the silver proof of these, which is how I really decide how I'm going to actually buy silver proof coins. They have to be a design that I'm absolutely in love with. But let me know if you're going to get any of these at all, if you're just going to get the bunk, if you're going to wait for it in circulation, if you're going to get the silver proof or even the gold proof. But yeah, leave a comment below, let me know. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because you'll get a lot more future content on coins. But thanks for watching.